Respectable viewers, in today's video, we are discussing 5 important weight loss tips for beginners. Many people struggle hard to reduce their weight. Right now, there are a lot of programs created to help such people in their respective weight loss endeavors. Here are 5 weight loss tips you should follow, on top of your weight loss program, so as to make sure that the weight loss program you've chosen will work flawlessly for you. Tip number 1. Reduce your food intake. The first thing you should watch out for in order to lose weight is your diet. I know many of us can't resist when we step into a restaurant and start ordering just about everything we see on the menu that looks nice. The rule of the thumb here is this: eat just enough so that you will not be hungry. Once you're no longer hungry, stop eating immediately. Never stuff yourself with food. Tip number 2. The importance of exercising. Exercising will help your body burn fats. No diets will work without the help of a good exercise regime. Tip number 3. Eat healthily. Most people concentrate too much on getting thin, but they fail to recognize the more important thing, which is that they have to concentrate on the fact that they have to eat healthy as well. By eating the right foods, and an adequate amount, you should not have to worry about getting fat. The main reason why so many people are overweight these days is because of the food they eat, which are normally fatty foods and sweets, which should be avoided as much as possible. Tip number 4. Get support from family and friends. All these weight loss tips and programs won't do you any good if you feel that you're going through this whole process all by yourself. Try to involve people with whom you are very close in your weight loss program. You may not realize it, but their support can actually help you go a very long way in your weight loss journey. For one, they would be considerate enough not to eat cakes and rich desserts in front of you. They could also stop you from biting on a piece of a chocolate bar at the very last minute. Tip number 5. Make sure that you reduce the quantity of your food. In order to lose weight, you have to watch your meal servings. And it won't matter if you're at home or dining out. But you have to be most especially watchful when eating inside restaurants. You might order big chunks of meat because of the juicy ad you see on the menu. The rule of thumb is this: eat just enough to address your hunger. Never stuff yourself with food. Follow these 4 weight loss tips and you should be on your way toward a slimmer, leaner, and sexier body. You have to be patient though, as the whole weight loss success journey does not happen overnight. But I can guarantee you one thing, that the fruits of your labor will certainly be sweet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.